All right, guys, Andy Dalglish here. All right, we're here with Bryant, one of my youth sport athletes that I train right here. He's 14 years old, plays baseball. All right, one thing I found when working with high school and youth is that one of the most difficult things to train is the hip hinge. All right, so I typically like to start out going after the Romanian deadlift, and I'll take it all the way back to a regression. I'll grab a 25-pound plate, put that 25-pound plate behind my butt. All right, and I always start with a soft knee bend. Imagine I came by and locked those knees in that slightly bent position. All right, and I poke Bryant in the back, so he's trying to pinch my fingers with those shoulder blades. And now that weight pushing against my butt gives me something, tells my brain to push back into, okay? So, soft knee bend, pinch my fingers, and I'm simply going to push my butt back into that weight, almost kind of wiggling the toes at the bottom. Coming back up, soft knee bend, pinch my fingers, shift that weight back, come back up, okay? Let's see you do it, Bryant. Go ahead and pick it up. Go into that soft knee bend. Imagine I locked in a little soft, locked in position, pinch my fingers, good, chin down. All right, and shift that weight back, come back up. Now remember, wiggle the toes at the bottom. Good, soft knee bend, push back. Good, chin down, good. One more, soft knee bend, wiggle those toes at the bottom. Good, there you go, good. Relax, good. That looked pretty good, so we're gonna come right back into the barbell, the same thing. Go ahead and grab the barbell right here, Brian. Okay, good. Same thing, he's gonna go into that soft knee bend, pinch my fingers, and I always say, imagine that you helped your mom get all the groceries out of the car, so you have 2 handfuls of groceries, all right? And you walk through the door, and your mom's like, shut the door. Okay, you got no hands, shut the door. You shut the door with your butt, okay? So he's gonna go soft knee bend. Now we're locked in that slightly bend. Pinch my fingers, good. Come back up. Soft knee bend, pinch my fingers. Chin down, good. Come back up, one more time. Soft knee bend, beautiful. Come out, good, relax. And that's how you perform the hip hinge as far as the Romanian deadlift and a couple regressions and progressions with it.